everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So in today's video I am going to show you how to do the 90s makeup. Very easy, and it's also suitable for people with beginner makeup level. Alright, so the first step is we're going to use primer, and I am using Althea primer water, and so I'm just gonna put some onto my palm. And that's it. My face feels very moisturized now. And then the next step is, of course, the base color. So the base color, as you guys know in my channel, I don't actually have foundation. Yes, that's very embarrassing. I don't have foundation because I rarely wear it. So I usually just use concealer, and that's pretty much done. So yeah, we're going to apply this onto my face. So just going to apply a lot, and especially under the eye, it has to be very bright. So that's why I kind of go bold on the under eye concealer. And because this concealer, Tarte Shape Tape, the one that I'm using right now, it's very easy to dry, so I'm going to just blend it right now. But of course, you can always blend it later on if you have product that doesn't really dry quickly, you know. Alright, we have very bright under eye, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply onto the other area. This product's pretty thick, so you can just put some onto some area, and then you can blend it with the sponge or brush. And as you guys can see, I just did once and it's enough for my whole face. So yeah, that's done, and I'm just gonna blend everything. Alright, so everything is blended, and I have all the base ready. And then the next step is basically under eye. So this is where the powder comes in. In the 90s makeup, you do not want any shine on your face. So that is why powder is like an important step in the 90s makeup, you know. So most of the time when I notice in the 90s makeup, they don't really use like normal or natural colored powder. They sometimes would use like maybe a lighter color powder, or just plain white color powder, you know. Sometimes they even use baby powder. So we're gonna do the same today. Today we're gonna be using Althea's velvet petal powder. I have reviewed it before, so if you wanted to also take a look at the in-depth review of this product, you can check out my channel, and the link in the description box below. So we're going to first of all just apply this white powder onto the under eye, because that is what most 90s makeup look like, is that they have bright under eye. So we're just going to apply it here. Okay, that's not bright enough, we need more. Okay, so in terms of 90s makeup, it's very fun, so you don't really have to, you know, like think if it matches your color or not. You just put it in, you know. So that's kind of what I love about 90s makeup. It's very fun, it's you know, like funky and all that. But it's cool at the same time. So yeah, that's what I love about it. And then of course, don't forget your T-zone as well. So I'm also going to apply onto my nose, my forehead, my chin, basically everywhere. Like, you just have to apply powder everywhere in your face, you know, like it has to be in your face. So I think there's no more shine. Alright, that's great. If there's no more shine, then that means I'm doing it right. Alright, so the next step after this powder is to apply the eye makeup. So first, you can actually choose whichever you like, but I usually like to start with my eyebrow, so it's like I have the frame already, and then only I go to eyeshadow. I noticed that particularly in the older times, like in the 90s for example, there are still a lot of people who have pretty much kind of like unique looking eyebrow. So we're also gonna be doing that today. So usually like how you do the 90s makeup is that you wanted to just draw the line onto your eyebrow. So I just draw a line over here just like so, but of course I can't really see, so I'm just gonna draw more. Alright, so brow is done. And then the next step is we're going to do the eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow, of course, you have to, well, you can actually use any color you want. But I find that in the 90s, there's a lot of iconic color that is like blue, gray, sometimes even green, you know, like those crazy colors. Yeah, they don't really use like the colors that we normally use nowadays, you know, like normally nowadays we use something like a more of a natural color, something brownish, something like that. And so in today's video I am going to use Kat Von D's Alchemist Holographic Transforming Face and Eye Highlighter. So this is actually an highlighter because I don't have any blue, gray or whatever, that kind of color. So that's why I just use this highlighter, and this is in the color Teal Aquamarine. So this is how it looks like, and it does have this kind of like a bit of bluish tint, I think. So yeah, that's what we're going to be using today, and I use this kind of brush. Let's just apply this onto my eye. And then what I also noticed in 90s makeup is that you have to like apply it right above. So I know that sounds pretty crazy, but yeah, that's the beauty of 90s makeup, that it's crazy, it's fun, you know, like you do something that you don't think you're supposed to do, but yeah, you're doing it, so that's amazing. So yeah, that's for the top eyeshadow. So now we're gonna move on to the bottom eyeshadow. So sometimes in the 90s makeup they do wear like a bottom kind of highlighter, bottom of the eye, so it's just have to make your eyes pop, you know what I'm saying? So I have this Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the shade Nudity. So you wanted to have like a metallic, something shiny, something shimmery kind of eye color. Metallic is, I find metallic to be like the best way to do 90s makeup. So yeah, we're gonna be dealing with all magnetics today, you know. So just gonna apply it under my eye. Alright, so the next step is the eyeliner, and I'm using Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in the shade Super Black. So we're just going to apply it under our eye. So for eyeliner, well, for eyeliner in the 90s makeup or even in the nowadays makeup, it still has to be applied according to your eye shape. So because of my eye shape, this is how I'm going to apply my eyeliner. So the way you apply your eyeliner also has to be followed according to your eye shape, you know. So that's for eyeliner, and then the next one is definitely the mascara. So that's for the eye makeup, it is done. And then the next one is the cheek. So we're just going to apply this blush. So applying blush is also straightforward. It's just, you know, like just apply it onto your face, onto your cheek. Yeah, okay, so that is for the cheek. As you guys can see, I did stain my face because I accidentally touched the mascara and now it's on my cheek. So we're just gonna pretend that it doesn't happen, like there's nothing happened there. And then so the next part that we are going to apply is our lips. So for the lips, you wanted to find something kind of nude color-ish. So I'm just going to take my Shiseido. I think this is like a revolutionary gel lipstick in the shade Bullet Train. 202 Bullet Train. It's actually a sample, so I can't really show you what's the packaging because I don't have the packaging. It's a sample. So yeah, just gonna apply it. This is how the shade look like. It's so pretty. So one thing to take note while you're applying lipstick is that sometimes you apply lipstick and then your lips move around. So try to just set your lip in one pose and don't move at all. Alright, that's the lipstick. It's so pretty, isn't it? Like, it's just a really nice and pretty nude color. Okay, so this is not the 90s makeup without lip gloss. So lip gloss is very, very important. You have to have lip gloss when you're doing 90s makeup. Basically, matte colored lip is like not really a thing. If you do have like the classic satin lipstick, then that's good too. So the lip gloss I'll be wearing today is Fenty Beauty in the shade Cheeky. I love it so much and it actually smells so delicious. It kind of smells like maybe a strawberry candy. So yeah, it's so amazing. And that's it. That's the 90s makeup. So the 90s makeup look is complete. I think I look stupid. I mean, so you know, sometimes I think that I'm like so old, I shouldn't be doing this, but like here I am. I'm doing it. I did it, you know. And so yeah, 90s makeup is pretty dramatic. It's pretty like shine, but then at the same time matte. So it puts the shine in like the place that you want people to focus on, like for example your lips, your eyes. So yeah, and I actually love the 90s makeup and I love how it turned out on me, even though yeah, sometimes I find it that, well, I look pretty stupid, but it's good in a way. It's good, you know. So I don't know, I might like go out and wear this kind of makeup. I don't know, like we'll see about that. Hi guys, so this is how it looks like without the studio or ring light. So yeah, it looks pretty good actually. So let me know in the comments down below how I look. Let me know in the comments down below how would you rate this kind of look. Like, are you guys going to actually wear 90s makeup to go out in the daily life? I am so sorry, I'm speaking in Australian accent right now. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this kind of video, you like skincare, you like makeup, you like hair care, make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of videos about that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!